I've researched thousands of faceless YouTube channels to find the only 8 that will print views in 2026. But before we start this video is sponsored by Raid Chat. I'm kidding, no sponsor, let's begin. So first up is going to be Old America. Now they use AI to generate all their videos, and it's a new small channel with really bad videos that get no views. I'll be honest, the videos look like shit. So Lucas, why are you showing me this? Well, because they have some incredible outliers, right? Videos that went insanely viral, even on a brand new channel with no subs and no history, and they kind of suck, but they still get views. Which proves a point, right? If they can do it with a channel that's this bad, I mean, so can you. They're making a lot of mistakes, but they're still hitting a few home runs. And imagine if you could remake this channel, but do it better and get more hits on target, more viral videos. Huge opportunity for new faceless creators. And so next up is going to be Catholic Message to You. And no, I'm not going to preach to you in this video, but I am going to show you a faceless channel about Catholic preachings. Literally created this month. And same here, I mean, this channel is making a lot of mistakes. It's not perfect by any means. It even looks pretty bad, to be honest. But that's a good thing, right? We don't want to find a perfect Mr. Beast channel. We want to find a niche with high demand, but still an opportunity to improve and to make your video a better video. Now, the best part is going to be CPM, right? So this channel is actually targeting a slightly older audience, mostly in the US, resulting in very high CPMs. Or RPM, I don't know why people keep using the CPM term, and I do the same. But now, Lucas, how do I make videos? How do you make videos like this channel? It's pretty simple. It's literally just stock footage, pictures of the Pope, and a voiceover which is made with AI. Like, the videos are kind of horrible, but they get views. And somebody could probably blow up in this niche with half a brain cell and no budget. All it takes is a production system, I'm sorry. Alright, so next up, this channel actually surprised me, and I've been making lots of videos on these faceless channels, but this is the weirdest, most insane channel I've ever seen on these videos by far. They show AI-generated clips of bulls in a factory with how they get leather, how they process the bulls in the factory, and it's really weird and kind of disgusting, to be honest. And I'm nowhere close to vegan, but these thumbnails are just disgusting. Now, for some reason, this niche is exploding, even with this brand new channel. Like, literally, they have no subs. They started like a month ago, and so they have multiple viral videos in this very bizarre niche already. And the videos they post are actually AI generated, meaning you don't need to be a writer, you don't need to be an expert at the bulls or whatever they're talking about, and you don't need to be an expert at YouTube, right? Or have some massive budget, whatever. It's channels like these that regular people run from behind the scenes. And clearly, I mean, it's working. Even if, yeah, the channel is a bit weird. Now, next up is going to be a new faceless channel started only a month ago. Brand new. I like new channels because if something worked 3 years ago, who knows? Does it still work today? But if it actually works today, it probably works today, right? And so they make super simple explainer videos talking about birds. That's pretty much it, right? We can look at their viral videos, where the birds are hiding, what birds think about, I guess. And this niche works because bird enthusiasts, they really love birds. I mean, they're watching this basic channel with pretty mediocre content, so they have to be very interested or else they wouldn't do it. Now, what I would do is I would start a similar channel and I would use AI to analyze this channel. I have some prompts that we use to do this, and then analyze the top videos with AI on this channel, and then generate new ideas based on their top videos. Because that way, you're going to have a list of topics that are already kind of proven to work. But fresh ideas, similar, that you can run on your own channel and start a similar channel like this. And so next up is going to be another brand new channel, which is called Tool Archive. And they talk about tools. Surprise, right? Now, it's very niche. Stories about Hilti, Bosch, other tool companies, like short documentary style of videos, and basically anybody can create this. I mean, it's literally just a script, a voiceover, and some pictures that they slap together into a video with some zooming and some effects. But one of these videos got over 200k views, and another one got around 90k, and a third one did pretty well too. So this channel, even if it's pretty specific and niche, they found a golden niche because it's a much higher RPM as it attracts an older audience, mostly from the US, focusing mainly on American and Japanese tools. So the niche is there, and it's just waiting for people to make similar videos, which you can do on a very low budget. And then next up is a tiny channel, a faceless channel, barely getting any views and with no subscribers. And so why the heck am I bringing it up, right? Have I gone insane? I don't think so, at least not yet. But there's a reason why I show you this channel, and they are actually brand new with no subscribers, but they have two insane outliers, right? One is okay, and one is absolutely crazy. And the video is just a simple chart showing what brand of watches dominated each year up until, I guess, 2026. And so these videos about the watches are so low production, right? They're low budget, but clearly it worked, which means to me, it's possible to replicate it. So what do? Well, you want to find small channels in this niche that get these massive viral outliers, and you want to find these with AI and other tools. And so also let me know if you want a tutorial on that by dropping a comment down below. And then you put all of these ideas in a document, and then again, you can use AI to generate a list of similar ideas already kind of proven to work. So next up is gonna be Mumu. I'm butchering the name as always, but this channel proves something a lot of creators don't want to hear. Wait for it. We think it's all about the tiny details, the little fixes, but this channel, their videos are so basic. They take a topic, they write a script, they add a voiceover, and they throw in some stock footage, some clips, some pictures, throw it in, that's it. And yet, some of these videos are actually pulling serious views. Now, why is that, Lucas? Well, because of the script. A good script can carry average visuals, and that's the lesson here. So if you're starting a faceless channel, learn everything you can about scripts. How to tell a story, how to create curiosity, how to keep people watching, because that's exactly what channels like these are doing. And the best part, today we have AI that can do a lot of the writing for you, especially in niches like this, right? But you still need to understand the AI, and you have to understand how script writing works, or it's not going to work well for you. People can easily tell when a script is AI slop nowadays. Don't underestimate how smart people are. So just don't do that, right? Do it the smart way. And now guys, next up is probably one of the most simple faceless channels you can start on the entire platform, and it's called Crime Paint. And so what they do is pretty simple. They explain true crime cases using basic drawings. I mean, you can generate or create these in seconds, and that's it. There's no expensive editing, no fancy animations, just simple drawings and a good script. And that is exactly why I wanted to show you this channel, right? True crime is already kind of like one of the biggest niches on YouTube, and this channel just found a way to package it a bit more unique. Instead of looking like every other true crime documentary, right? Instead of competing with Netflix production, they lean into the simplicity, and it stands out, right? So now the lesson here isn't to start a crime channel, right? It's to find a niche that's already proven and then find a little unique twist, right? See if you can package it a bit unique, a bit differently. And there are so many ways to stand out even in the crowded niches, and so sometimes those crowded niches are actually the best place to be because there's a lot of views if you can find that little unique spot. For more on starting faceless YouTube channels for free, click this video right here and I'll show you everything step by step. People love this video, so you'd probably like it too.